Me and the boys are out here at Gifford National Forest. We're about to hunt for waterfalls. We have no service though out here, so it's gonna be interesting. Found our first waterfall. Not sure what it's called or anything. Let's go try to get a better view on this bad boy. Come on! We're right on the ledge. Look at how green it is out here. Sending it over. Hold up. Yeah. Hey. There she is. Waterfall number 2 is down. Might send some fat ones. It's deep enough. It is deep enough. It's scary though. I'm sure it's deep enough, but I'm not sure. So I'm not going to do that. And the current's kind of bad. There's a ledge like right underneath the waterfall that I do not want to get pulled under. So, although I want to jump terribly bad, it's a beautiful jump if I do. I'm gonna back out of this one. Waterfall number 3 is found. Waterfall number 4 is found. We are really high up, but we're gonna find a way down. Find a way down. So the closest we can find to get to it, we're trying to get down. We found it. We found our 5th waterfall today. We found the 6th waterfall today, and it's getting pretty dark out. Now we gotta find out how to get down there, just like the last one. Can't see it, but it's right there. There she is. Dang good. That's the farthest I'm going. It's a pretty big drop right there. Nice view of the waterfall. Good way to end a day of waterfall hunting.
Well, it would have been going forward, so.
Dang, dude. Just woke up. We were hammocking at Gifford National Forest. We plan on doing some more waterfall hunting today. Not very many waterfalls. Then we're heading to Portland. We're having a rest day. Last night we decided to rent a Airbnb in Portland just because we're really tired and I want to explore the city, and I'm losing my voice. My throat hurts really bad. We're on our way to another waterfall. Supposedly it's private property, but we don't know. We made it. This is one of the cooler waterfalls. This is awesome.
By far.
The water is so blue.
Jumping off the porch like mom's not home. Tell me why the best things feel so wrong. Summer nights, love them how they take so long.